Combine technical performance with some great urban style in this trailblazer from SALEWA. This style has a full suede upper. It's got a classic look to it with earthy tones perfect for outdoor trekking. It uses a full wraparound polyurethane rand that adds lots of protection from rocks and roots, giving it abrasion resistance to really keep that suede looking clean. The lace-up is a unique design. It uses Kevlar core cables to give it extra security, and it goes all the way to the toe, perfect for mountain climbing usage. It utilizes the 3F system. It combines with this little design across the heel and the sidewalls for a fully anatomical fit that really hugs your foot nicely while reducing movement to keep you very stable. It also is going to help control the motion of your heel better while keeping you comfortable, while that thick padding adds extra cushioning. It comes with the multi-fit foam footbed. It's a combined design that's fully customizable with some hook and loops. It's going to give you a full fit or just leave it out for some extra support in the heel. Underneath, it has an ergonomic oriented EVA midsole. It's going to give you lots of cushioning and shock absorption. And the outsole uses a self-cleaning Dropline rubber that has great heel-to-toe balance, giving you a constant propulsed movement forward so you can stay energized out there on the trail. And those lugs are going to be pretty great for uncertain terrain, wet or dry.